In the last session, we have discussed the methods of substitution and also the standard integrals formulae. So, today let us discuss some more important formulae to solve the problems in methods of integration. So, now first one, integral of e power ax plus b dx. So, this is in the form of integral of e power x. So, we get e power ax plus b only, but derivative of ax plus b is a. So, divide by a. So, this is plus constant of integration. Second one, integral of 1 by ax plus b dx. Now, this is in the form of integral of 1 by x dx. We know that log of mod x. So, this we can write log mod ax plus b divided by derivative of ax plus b, that is a. So, 1 by a log of mod ax plus b, constant of integration. Now, integral ax plus b whole to the power of n dx. This is equal to ax plus b whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 into derivative of ax plus b is a plus constant of integration. Here n does not equal to minus 1. Now, integral sin of ax plus b dx is minus cos of ax plus b 1 by a plus constant of integration. Now, integral of cos of ax plus b dx is same 1 by a sin of ax plus b plus c. Now, integral of secant square of ax plus b dx. This is also 1 by a tan of ax plus b plus constant of integration. Next, integral of cosecant square of ax plus b dx. This is minus 1 by a cot of ax plus b plus c. Now, integral of sec of ax plus b tan of ax plus b dx. This is sec of ax plus b derivative is a, so 1 by a plus constant of integration. Next, 1 by cosecant of ax plus b cot of ax plus b dx. This is equal to minus 1 by a cosecant of ax plus b plus c. Now, after this, some more trigonometric functions integral also let us discuss. Already we know how to find out integral of tan x, integral of cot x. So, let us find out integral of secant x or integral of cosecant x. To find integral of secant x dx. So, we do not have direct formula because it is not a standard result. Suppose it is integral of secant square x dx, we might have written tan x, but here we have secant x. So, let us try. So, now I is equal to integral secant x dx multiply both numerator and denominator with secant x plus tan x. See, this we can write integral of secant x into secant x plus tan x by secant x plus tan x dx. Now, this we can write integral of secant x tan x plus secant square x by secant x plus tan x dx. Now, this is numerator, this is denominator. Let us observe what is the derivative of the denominator. The derivative of the denominator is secant x derivative is secant x tan x plus tan x derivative is secant square x. Suppose if you say secant x plus tan x is equal to f of x, the numerator, quite obvious that numerator becomes f dash x. So, this is in the form of integral f dash x by f of x dx. In earlier sessions already we have discussed this formulae. So, this equals to log mod f of x plus constant of integration. So, using this one we write log of mod secant x plus tan x plus constant of integration, or this secant x plus tan x can be written as tan of pi by 4 plus x. So, this can be written log of mod tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus constant of integration. This is the integral of secant x. Let us find out integral of cosecant x dx in the similar manner. To find integral of cosecant x dx. Now, I equals to integral of cosecant x dx multiply both numerator and denominator with cosecant x minus cot x. This we can write integral cosecant x into cosecant x minus cot x by cosecant x minus cot x dx. So, now this we can write cosecant x into this one minus cosecant x cot x plus cosecant square x by cosecant x minus cot x dx. Now, numerator by denominator. See the derivative of the denominator. Cosecant x derivative is minus cosecant cot x, minus cot x derivative is plus cosecant square x. Suppose this is f of x, this will be f dash x. So, that means since integral f dash x by f of x dx. This is equal to log mod f of x plus c. So, using this we can write log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c, or this is log mod tan x by 2 plus c. Now, let us solve some example problems. First problem, evaluate integral x to the power of 5 by 1 plus x to the power of 12 dx. Okay. So, now let us solve this problem. Say I is equal to integral of x to the power of 5 by 1 plus x to the power of 12 dx. Now, just check in the numerator x to the power of 5. X to the power of 5 is the whose derivative? So, that means first of all multiply and divide by 6. So, this we can write 1 by 6 times integral of 1 by 1 plus this x to the power of 12, we can write x to the power of 6 whole square. This is 6x to the power of 5 dx. Suppose if you say x to the power of 6 is equal to t, then 6x to the power of 5 dx becomes dt. So, that means put x to the power of 6 is equal to t, then dt is equal to 6x to the power of 5 dx. This becomes 1 by 6 integral of 1 by 1 plus t square. So, this is nothing but dt. Now, this is nothing but a standard integral. So, now 1 by 1 plus x square dx, tan inverse x, this is in terms of t. So, we get tan inverse t. So, this is equal to 1 by 6 of tan inverse t, but t is nothing but x power 6. So, answer is 1 by 6 tan inverse x power 6 plus c. So, now let us move to the next problem.